Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some English grammar set questions. Right, we have already discussed 9 sets. Today we will discuss the set 10. The set 10 begins like this. Rewrite the following sentences as per the instructions given in brackets. Right? So what is given? It was very hot outside. बाहर बहुत गरम. We could not move out. आमे पदाକୁ बाहरी पारबो नाही. Join the sentence using a coordinator. So what coordinator shall we use? Tell me. Which coordinator? So we will use we could not move out for it was very hot outside. We will use for. There are many coordinators and here for is the right. So it was a very hot outside. We will change the sentence. Yes. Copy, then here paste. Paste, right. Yes, number 1, this is number 1. Yes, we could not move out, let's remove full stop. And for, use the coordinator for. For, it was, I will become small letter. Yes. It then the sentence became like this. We could not move out for it was very hot outside. Could understand? Then remove delete the sentence, extra sentence. Okay, removed. Done. Next, what a great singer she is. This is an exclamatory sentence. Change into a sentence in the statement form. We will make it statement form. Right? So, let's do it. She is, will you go to, she is verb, she is subject, subject verb will go to front position. So, she is, S is, she is, what a बदली कौन लगी बोली कहती कही नथिली. Instead of how, we will use very. Instead of what, we will use a very. Didn't I? Remember. So, here what, we will use a very. What a very. What she is, what a great singer, what a, not just 1 minute. What a great singer, great singer. What a great singer. She is a great singer. That's all. She is a great singer. She is a very great singer. Very great singer. So instead of what, a, we used a very. You know, instead of how, we use very. Instead of what, we use a very. When we are transforming an exclamatory sentence into a statement. Could understand? विस्मयसूचक वाक्य को विवृतसूचक वाक्य परिणत करथिबा समय रे व्हाट एटा होची ए भेरी आ हाउटा होची भेरी. Could understand? Next, Shahrukh Khan is a great actor, you know, Hindi film actor Shahrukh Khan. He has acted in many popular films. Join the sentence changing the second into a relative class. Relative class करिया बोले मु कौन कहती. First we will find out the link between the two words in the two sentences. So Shahrukh Khan is related with he because he is the pronoun of Shahrukh Khan. And you know the relative pronouns whom, which that. Shahrukh Khan is a person, so we will use either who or whom. So, instead of who, we will use who. Instead of he, we will use who. Could understand? Now it became a who class. Who has acted in many popular films. Deita who class ହେଇଗଲା ତାକୁ ନେଇକିରି କୋଉଠି ରଖିବା where shall we place it just after its antecedent or a noun. And the noun is Shahrukh Khan. We will place this class just after Shahrukh Khan. So let's copy and paste. Here copy and paste. Yes, copy. Where shall I paste? Where shall I paste? Just after Shahrukh Khan? Yes, I shall paste here. Okay, I shall paste here. 1 minute. Yes. Yes. Shahrukh Khan, who has acted in many popular films, remove a full stop, is a great actor. Now let's delete the rest part, unnecessary part. So Shahrukh Khan, who has, this is the non-defining class, right? Next. Next one is join the sentences changing this. Okay, it's done. The captain ordered the soldiers dash around the field. Fill in the blank with the non-finite form of the run. To run. The right answer is to run. Jodi make here help ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା just run ଲେଖାଇଥା କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ନାହିଁ to run. To infinite is appropriate. Okay. Angry people blocked the road for a long time. Change into the passive voice. ତମ କହିଥିଲି କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲି? Subject will go to object place. Object with by. And object will come to subject place. We will make the verb, main verb, en form. And we will use one of the B forms. Right? So, को B form ଟା ଲାଗିବ ଦେଖିବା. So, people blocked. Blocked means past tense. So, B form, past B form is was where. Subject ଦେଖିବା. The road, single, so was. The road was blocked for a long time. Angry people, by angry people is not necessary to mention. So, first, this is here, blocked is the verb, right? This is the verb, right? The road is the object. The road is the object, right? And the angry people is subject. This is the subject. So the road will go to the front position, blocked past tense achi, and in the verb there is did, we will remove it, we will take out the did, and we will give it to the B. B plus D was where? So the road is singular, was is correct. So now let's do it. The road 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 was କୋଉଠୁ ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ କି ନାହିଁ? ଡିଡିଟା ବାହାର କଲି ବିରେ ଯୋଗ କରିଦେଲି ତାପରେ ରହିଲା କ'ଣ ବ୍ଲକ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ସ ଥାର୍ଡ ଫର୍ମ ଇଜ୍ ବ୍ଲକ୍ଡ BLOCK ଇଟ୍ ବ୍ଲକ୍ଡ ଦି ରୋଡ଼ ୱାଜ୍ ବ୍ଲକ୍ଡ ଫର୍ ଏ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ for a long time by the people is not necessary. Okay. Next, read the following sentences according to the instructions given in bracket. When will you do this? Rewrite the sentence using be going to. तो आम कौन कही बी गोइंग बिलीटा काटा बी गोइंग लिखा तो बी रंचटार इज एम आर वाज वेर बिलीटा प्रेजेंट टेंस तो वी विल यूज इज एम आर आ भर कौटे व्यवहार कर वी विल यूज वन ऑफ देम इज एम आर बिकॉज दे आर प्रेजेंट सो यू इज यू पाखे जनरली वी यूज आर सो फर्स्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ बिली यू यूज आर then here after you use be going to it's done. Next, my father is now on a business trip. Fill in the blank with the appropriate position, that is appropriate preposition is on. Next, we had to destroy the old building this year. Destroy means pull down. It's a fragile verb, two-word verb is equal to pull down. Pull down, D-O-W-N, pull down. Next, replace the underlined word with a fragile verb. Leave it, which is already done. My father asked me not to disturb him when he was at work. Rewrite the sentence in the direct speech. Direct speech kariba. In indirect, while doing indirect speech, we generally remove what? Inverted comma. Instead of inverted comma, we use that to if, whether and five. But here we are asked the reverse action. What is the reverse action? We are asked to make a direct speech. So we will, what shall we do? We will use inverted comma. Instead of what? That to, if, whether and five. So let's see, where is that or to? My father asked me not to, yet instead of to, let's remove it, and instead of it, let's use comma and inverted comma, and at the sentence, let's use inverted comma. Okay, done? Then my father asked will become said to. Said to. Said to. While doing indirect speech, we generally removed said to, and in place of it, we used told, asked to, requested. But here we will remove the asked and we will use what? Said to and used. Could understand? So my father said to me, not will remove and it will become don't disturb. D-O-N-T, don't. Not will become don't disturb me. Him will become me. Don't disturb me when he was not, he instead of he write I. Could understand? I. Next, was will become am. I am at work. Could understand? So, another one. One of my friends, ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣେ, singular or plural, tell me. ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣେ ଖାଇଲା.
Singular.
Singular, ଜଣକୁ ବୁଝେଇଲା. So, is or are, which is correct? Is singular? Is, right. Thank you. That's like a good girl.
Boy.
Oh, sorry. Boy. Okay. So, is correct. Thank you. Next, do as a director. Although he is poor, he is happy. Identify the subordinator in this sentence. Subordinator, which is the subject? There are so many subordinators. Here, the subordinator is although. Although is the subordinator. Right? Mark the chart given in the blackboard. Next one is what I say and do. None of your business. What I say and do. ମୁଁ ଯାହା କରେ. Oh. What I say and do. Tell me, which is correct? R. B ର ଗୋଟେ one verb ଲାଗିଯିବ. R. Next, it was raining heavily. I went out without a raincoat. Combine this and using although. Although लगेगी रोड बाकी करिया. Although it was raining. Although it was raining heavily. जदियो. Although means जदियो. Although it was raining, I will become a small letter. Yes, was raining heavily. I went out without a raincoat. Next one is he would never, he will become a capital letter. He would never have, would have a घड़ी कहती if class you remember 00 shall will had noun would had verb would have. It would have is used, we will use just a had. He would have never have failed in the exam if he had could only ନା ତାର ଉଡ୍ ଏବେର ଘଡ଼ିଟା ହେଉଛି ହେଡ୍ ହେଡ୍ ଟେକେନ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟିସିପଲ୍ ହେଇଛି ହେଡ୍ ପାଖରେ ହେଡ୍ ଟେକେନ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଟୁ ଡାର୍କ ହଁ ଟେଲ୍ ମି
Itu sebagai
हाँ सेटा तो किसी दरकार दैट इज इंस्ट्रक्शन वी नीड नॉट चेंज द इंस्ट्रक्शन वी जस्ट वी कैन एंटर इट दैट्स ऑल इट वाज टू डार्क टू गो ऑन सो वी camped here state what type of sentence it is there are three types of sentence as per use of conjunction simple compound complex here so is used it is a coordinating conjunction so it is a compound sentence it is a what type of sentence it is a
compound sentence.
complex dela had take na this one is complex sentence ele deichi okay we shall see whether it is the complex compound I think this is a compound sentence right if so is coordinator it is compound if it is subordinator this is complex we shall see the what just 1 minute 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 now here is a tag let's see image 1 minute photo gallery right let's do the coordinator these are subordinators could you understand these are subordinators after before whenever while as no as since till until once where as though how so that in order that because then so is a coordinator so this sentence is a compound sentence could you understand what did I say this sentence is a compound sentence right this sentence is a compound sentence because so is a coordinator with this that is the end of today's set question class we shall discuss the other sets in our next class till then bye thank you
It's okay.